Good day, viewers. Welcome to Afris Concept TV, your number one reliable channel where you get updated and enlightened on what is happening around you. I appreciate you for the time spent while watching and viewing our channel. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever I drop any video. Afris Concept TV News. They will withdraw petition against Buhari, APC and INEC. One of the sets of petitioners at the Presidential Election Petition Court, the People Democratic Movement and its candidate, Pastor Aminci Abu, has given reasons for their decision to withdraw the petition they filed against outcome of the last presidential election. The PDM and Abu had in their petition asked the court to void the election on the ground that the party's logo was excluded by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from the ballot paper. When the petition was called on July 25, 2019, petitioners, lawyer Aliyu Lemu, said that he has been instructed by its client to apply to withdraw the petition, which had INEC, Buhari and the APC as respondents. The court consequently dismissed the petition. Speaking in Abuja on Monday, Abu said his party chose to withdraw the petition because the current federal government has agreed to address the many issues affecting his constituency, which informed why he chose to contest election. Abu said there is no decision to his party that they were not induced by anyone to withdraw their petition. He said, "I stand before you with a heart full of joy and happiness. I am filled with joy and happiness over the decision I took to withdraw the petition on Tuesday, the 23rd of July 2019. You will recall that I filed a petition before the Presidential Election Tribunal, which is also the Federal Court of Appeal, to challenge my unlawful exclusion by the Independent National Electoral Commission. I withdrew my case because I have been vindicated. I came to the Honorable Court of Appeal to seek a remedy for my exclusion, and today I am convinced that I do not need to proceed further with this petition for the reason I am about to state to you. I took the decision to contest the highest office in this country so that I will make a difference to my immediate constituency and the country at large. My name is Pastor Aminci Abu. I represent the marginalized and hardworking people of the Northern Christian community, Middle Belt and Northern minorities. I took the decision to contest so that I will be a voice for the above constituency which I represent. My people are mobilized and ready to overwhelmingly deliver on my mandate, only to realize that my party and its logo were missing on the ballot paper. We went to the court to seek redress for my unlawful exclusion. However, in the intervening period, since filing my petition, the parties involved have, despite the pending petition, sought politically readiness and solutions to address my concern. In the series of the deliberations to my withdrawal, I have interacted with the respondents and I have been assuaged. But most importantly, I have now discovered that the present governor of the All Progressive Progress, led by President Muhammadu Buhari, shares my vision and that of my people. The reasons for which I decided to contest the February 23rd general elections of this country is the same vision and zeal which the government of President Muhammadu Buhari operates. It is an exclusive government where the voices of the minority are heard despite majority having their way. I have represented the wishes of my people, the majority of Nigerians, and their desires to their government, which had listened and promised to act on these wishes. Instead of leading this court to annul the election, I have decided to work with this government to deliver on its electoral promises and mandates. I urge all patriotic citizens of this country to join us in giving our support to this government to achieve its electoral promises for the purpose of moving this country to the next level. That is the way of statesmanship, and there must be peace in our country. Viewers, what would you have to say concerning this news that you just listened to? What is your take on this news? If you have any comments, kindly drop your comments below. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever I publish any video. Thank you and God bless you.